Hey guys, if you're new here, my name is Bella, and as you can see behind me, fall has officially entered my house. So I'm so excited to do this fall clean and decorate video. I've been waiting all year. So let's get right to it. Just gonna give you a little overview of what we have. These are like my plants that I can use. I have candles in the back, pumpkins, here's like blankets and stuff. And here's my pictures. There's some more pumpkins over here. And I have some pillows that I can use to decorate the new couch. And if you're brand new here, you might not know, but we just moved, so we got all new stuff. So this is an all new space, so we're gonna figure out this decorating thing together. I'm gonna be cleaning everything today with my Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent because I thought it would be a nice fall scent and I want the house to smell like fall too. And I'm gonna start with our kitchen table, and you might be able to tell it's actually a card table because there's nothing in stock in the style that we want, but one is coming into stock very soon, so we should be able to get that. But this is working fine and it matches our house. Well, actually our apartment. I keep saying house because that's what I'm used to, but this apartment honestly feels kind of like a house, and I wanted to keep it super simple. I just put a pumpkin down and I wrapped a leaf garland around it, and I move it for all of our meals, but it looks super cute in the meantime. Now moving into our living room, I wanted to decorate the living room computer desk. I thought it would just be a super cute place to really decorate and get in the fall vibe. So I went to the store and I purchased a couple of new things, but I had a lot of this stuff to begin with, honestly. So it was about moving the old stuff into the new place and making it feel brand new, and that's my biggest tip. You don't have to get a lot of new stuff every year, just make it feel different every year. In the comments below, let me know your fall plans. We have a 1-year-old and I'm not sure what we are able to do and what she'll really enjoy, so I want to hear your suggestions. If you have small children, let me know what you're going to be doing, because we want to definitely go to a pumpkin patch and an apple farm, but we don't have many other ideas. So please, in the comments, what are you and your little ones doing? Like I mentioned, I have a completely new space to work with, so for me it was really about playing around with things and figuring out where I wanted them and exactly how I wanted it to look. And that's another big tip. If you don't love it at first, keep playing around with it, keep switching things around, because eventually you're going to find something that you really like. It just takes a little bit of trial and error.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break the wheel.
I really tried to incorporate more neutrals and muted tones, and Target has some amazing selections on pumpkins, so head over there if you haven't seen them yet. You won't be disappointed.
Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me. I swear you would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
As you can see, I'm totally struggling with getting these in there. I wanted more of the orange pumpkins over the acorns, so I was trying to hand pick some, and things kept falling out and it was a total struggle, but that's real life. And here is the finished product, and I am so happy with it. I think it's so cute, it's so festive. I'm just really proud of this computer desk every time I see it. And if you follow me on Instagram, you already know this, but we got a brand new couch, and it's a funny story because this used to be in like a model home, like a staged home, and we actually bought it from a company that sells used but like barely used, it's pretty new, couches and furniture that was in model homes. And if you follow along on Instagram, you'll also see that I took a poll on where I should put the bench, and I ended up keeping it by the door. Our whole table and tray situation moved with us to this new space, and I was worried that the table wouldn't fit with the new sectional we got, but it totally did. And I bought this tray at Target like a year ago for last fall to decorate it, and I've kept it up for every season, and I invested a little bit more than I probably would have in it, but that is another big decorating tip. Invest in what you know that you will use year-round. I decorate that tray for every holiday. It looks amazing for fall. It looks amazing for Christmas. I love it with this time of year, and it looks great other times of year too. So only invest in what you know that you'll use very often. Here is the finished tray. I love the colors, and again, I love how it looks with that gold. I am big on gold. And now moving into decorating the TV stand, we're actually getting a new one. It should be here within a week or two, hopefully. But right now, I'm just gonna put this on the TV stand. We're actually getting a huge entertainment center, so it's gonna have bookshelves and tons of space to decorate, and I'm very excited for it. So stay tuned, you'll see it, it's coming. We could break up and then make up. Guys, I want to know what your favorite season is. I am totally a fall and winter girl all the way. My birthday is in winter, and so is Matt's. I'm really not a big fan of heat, so spring and summer, especially here in California, I definitely don't look forward to, but I'm coming around to it because Kennedy's birthday is in July, so it's kind of sentimental for me. But now I'm gonna put this other blanket that I used for summer away, and I tried to make it look like it was tossed in the basket, just kind of perfectly tossed though, and I was kind of struggling with it. And then I put that scarecrow doll on top of it, and it was the first thing that Kennedy went for, and I knew it was gonna happen, but it looked so cute until she did. You make all my dreams come true. Super cute, first thing to go, but cute until it did. Now I'm just deciding how I want these pictures of Kennedy as a little baby from last year. Well, she's still a little baby, but she was really, really little this time last year. So I was definitely in my feelings while putting these up, and I'm trying to see how I kind of want them to go across. We're actually getting an electric fireplace for that bottom alcove, and that will be coming soon. I feel like that's a running theme in this video is, oh, it's coming, but it's coming later. But you will see that too in the next couple videos, hopefully. Would you be lying to me? Got away. The memories are our mistakes. We can never make it true. Oh, I'm like crying over how cute these pictures are. I can get it in the light. We had a family friend do these pictures last year and I love them so much, but my question is, should I put the wreath here or should I put it right here on the pantry door? I don't know what to do, you guys. Let me know in the comments. Like, what do you think I should do? Lazy mom hack for you here. I always keep these on the plastic. I know it's super lazy, but until Kennedy is old enough to really care, I'm not gonna take them off because they're just gonna sit there and not get any use, and it's easier for me to peel off when I'm done. The last room I'm gonna be cleaning and decorating today is our new kitchen, and I got one new thing for this. I got new dish rags to go on the oven from Target, but the rest of the stuff we had. So again, new space, just incorporating our other stuff and seeing how it works here, and it'll be really interesting to do this again for Christmas because we have a ton of decorations for Christmas, a ton of bins, and it'll be interesting to see how it fits in here, and it'll be super fun to figure that out together, so I hope that you stay tuned for that. And that's something else that I'm curious about too. I want to know if you guys enjoy watching fall clean and decorates or Christmas clean and decorates more. For me, I honestly can't even choose. There's no wrong answers here. I'm just really curious to know what you guys think. And as you can see, I'm being a total perfectionist with these towels. Honestly, what's new? First it was the bed, and now it's the kitchen towels. It never ends. That's just my personality. I'm a total perfectionist. I'm super over the top when it comes to decorating, but I think that they turned out super cute. And these are two things that I brought with me from the old house. The basket of pumpkins was something, I got all of those from the Target Dollar Spot last year, and I put them all in that basket, which was also from the Target Dollar Spot. And I actually painted this owl when I was a little bit younger, and it's just always stayed in my fall collection. I'm over us, I'm over you. Forget about another deja vu. I also got a couple new things from Grove. They're both the Mrs. Meyer's spiced pumpkin scent, but I got one dish soap and one hand soap, and they smell really good. If you're on the fence about them, definitely pick yourself up some. And Grove Collaborative has the cheapest stuff, and I always shop there for all of my home needs. And totally not sponsored, I know that sounded like it, but I just love Grove. And I wanted to finish up this video with a little walkthrough of my whole space, and I really appreciate everybody who watched this entire video. Honestly, I've been looking forward to this video for a whole year. This is actually one of the reasons why I wanted to start a YouTube channel, because I saw a whole bunch of fall clean and decorates and I wanted to do that too. Please make sure you remember to like this video, and if you haven't already, please make sure you turn on your notifications and you hit that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. And I would also love for you to check out some of my other videos before you leave YouTube today. Till then, I appreciate you all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. Should be